Hey guys, I got a Windows Update scammer today. And naturally, I pulled up Linux, and he was rushing me so much that I didn't really have time to pull up OBS. And then I don't know if I could have recorded it and got the voice and the video in sync, so you can listen and tell what happened. But yeah. They're doing the Windows Update thing, saying your computer's not taking it. All they want is on your computer, because he sent me to Supremo Control, which will actually work if you have Wine installed on Linux. But he asked me when's the last time I had a computer technician work on it, and I told him, I said, honey, I am a technician. I'm a computer engineer, which is actually, before I retired, true, because that's what my schooling, that's what I graduated in college, computer engineering. And he said, well, it's not taking the Windows updates, you know. I would have pulled this out longer, but I had about 46 phone calls today. And I think 38 of them was final expense. And I was ready to throw the phone out the window, you know. And I didn't have the patience to sit there and listen at him, you know. And I regret it now, but maybe they'll do it again. They call me about twice a week. Maybe he'll do it again. And and I'll let one of them on my virtual machine and maybe get it recorded and hope I can get everything in sync. But anyway, I'll talk to you later on with the video.
Hi ma'am, this is Mark. How are you doing today?
I'm doing alright.
Ma'am, this call is about your computer, ma'am. Your computer is not receiving any security update from last few days. May I know, have you made any changes in your computer?
No, I haven't.
What was the last time you used your computer, ma'am?
This morning.
Okay, ma'am. These updates, currently your computer is not taking. These updates are very important for your computer to protect your computer from virus, big infections and hacking activities, ma'am. I am a computer technician calling you from Windows Technical Support, and currently you are using Windows operating system, ma'am. I am sending you these update again. Please come to your computer and let me know if you see your computer screen, ma'am. You can install these updates by yourself.
Okay, but I got an update Monday.
No, ma'am. As I can see, your computer is not receiving security updates from Windows Technical Support.
Well, Windows updated and I had to reboot it. And it says working on updates.
No, ma'am. I'm not telling you that you need to do Windows update. This is a security updates from Microsoft Windows.
Alright.
You can install these updates by yourself, ma'am. Just please come to your computer. I will guide you how to do it.
Alright, I'm sitting here.
Takes only 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, let me know.
I came and booted it up.
Okay, are you at the computer now?
Yeah.
Alright, look at the bottom right. You see the date and time at the bottom right?
Yes, I do.
And right next to the date and time, ma'am, you see notification that says security updates are available there?
No, it says the power.
What says to you?
It says power. It's got the on-off switch there.
Okay, I think you're looking, okay.
No, it says June 3rd. And the time's 19.34, which is...
Correct, Carrie. And right next to that, right next to that, you see notification that says security updates are available there?
No, it says powered and it says speaker.
Okay. So do one thing, ma'am. Just simply look at your keyboard. Look at your keyboard at the far bottom. left-hand corner on the keyboard, you see a CTRL key, the control
Yeah, I
there?
see Control, Windows, Alt, Space, Alt, Windows. Yeah.
Right. I want you to hold down the Windows key with your one finger, and at the same time hold down the letter R as in Robert. Okay, both keys together, ma'am.
All right.
Now something popped up on the screen. Let them go, both of them.
Okay, but there's nothing popped up.
Okay, look at the lower left-hand corner on the screen at the bottom. You see we have a Windows logo there?
No, I have a Z. A Z.
No, not on the keyboard. Look on the computer.
I'm looking
screen
on my
bottom.
screen. It has a Z. A Z key, like in zebra.
Zebra.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you will look on the computer screen, ma'am, on the left-hand side at the down below, you see we have a search that says type.
No, it
search. See
doesn't.
that?
Nope.
What you see there?
What do I see there? I see the start button. I see the terminal. I see Brave browser. I see Chrome.
Okay, so where you see the Chrome,
Yeah,
click on it twice. You need.
about a year and a half ago.
All right. Have you clicked on Google Chrome?
Yeah, but I got to put in a password.
Okay, put your password in there.
It's not wanting to. Hang on. There it goes.
Yeah.
All right. Now what?
Now once you click on Chrome, now look in the middle of the screen now. What do we have in the middle of the screen now?
Search Google or type a URL.
Right, so where is the search Google or type a URL? I want you to type in the bar www, 3 W's like a whiskey.
Okay.
Then put a dot like a period.
All right.
After dot, put letter S as in sugar,
Okay.
U as in United,
Okay.
P as in Paul,
Okay.
R as in Roger,
Okay.
E as in Edward,
Okay.
M as in Mary,
Okay.
O as in Oscar,
Okay.
C as in Charlie,
Okay.
O as in Oscar,
Okay.
N as in Nancy,
Okay.
T as in Tom, put letter T as in Tom,
Okay.
R as in Robert,
All right.
O as in Oscar,
Okay.
L as in Larry,
Okay.
dot like a period,
Okay.
then put C-O-M, com.
Okay, I'm on this. I gotta accept the cookies. We always gotta accept the cookies.
Yeah, click on accept.
I did.
Now look on the left hand side, we have a download. You see download?
Yep.
Click on download once.
All right.
Now look in the middle of the screen. You see download Supremo for Windows?
No, it says how to use Supremo on Linux.
Okay, and down below there, what you see there, down below there?
Nothing. It's just a one simple page. How to use Supremo on Linux.
Okay, hold on a second, I will help you with that, okay? And for what purpose you use this computer, like mostly for?
Not a lot, really. I check my email and I talk to my sister who lives in North Carolina on Facebook, and that's just about it.
Okay, so where you see how to use Supremo on Linux, okay? You see we have install. You see install Wine. You see somewhere?
I have Wine installed.
Sorry?
I've got Wine installed. I have Linux. So your Windows Update is not going to work on this computer anyway. Right?
Well, you must be having option in there, ma'am. Where I know you told me just now you're using Linux computer right now.
Yeah, I'm using Linux. Linux Zorin.
And you remember what was the last time when the technician worked on this computer for you? Like, you remember?
Sweetheart, I am a technician. I'm a computer engineer. Certified.
Oh, they sound great to me, ma'am. Okay. All right.
That's why I knew you were lying through your teeth when you called me, because this will not take a Windows update.
Right, ma'am. It will not take Windows update because you're using Linux operating system right now. So
Right.
it's friendly with the Windows now.
Right.
So it was nice to talk with you. I will lose your number from my list, okay?
All right. Bye.
Take care, okay? Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Well, that was that. They usually don't stick around for Linux. Linux is the operating system that 99% of the hackers use. 99% of the virus writers use, because you can write a program on this safely, because it doesn't like intermingle with everything else. It's very, very seldom. There's only like a handful of people that can actually hack into Linux. And yeah, after he thought about it, he hung up really fast. And I hope y'all liked it, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.